Urban VPN for Firestick. Does it actually work without crashing? So hey guys, in this video, talking about that. So the peer-to-peer reality, no private infrastructure. Urban VPN doesn't own servers. It runs on a crowdsourced network where your device becomes relay for other users. You share your bandwidth. Your IP address and bandwidth are distributed to strangers, creating unpredictable performance and potential security exposure. Inconsistent speed without dedicated server connection quality varies wildly depending on who else is using the network at that moment. So the performance and stability gap. Severe speed drops, real-world tests show dramatic slowdown and constant buffering, far worse than premium VPNs. Frequent crashes. The app is unstable, especially when switch server location on Firestick. No kill switch. Without system level kill switch right here, IP IP leaks the moment the connection drops. So the 2026 privacy red flag: collect browsing data including a prompt and output, share data with third-party affiliate or commercial use. No logs guarantee. Data collection is non-optional. So there you go. So yeah, why Urban VPN fares Firestick users not reliable. Frequent crash and no customer supports make it unstable for 4K streaming or consistent geo blocking. Not private, you're trading your data, not paying with money. Your browsing history becomes commercial assets. The fix: choose reputable audited VPN with native Firestick app and a proven no logs policy. You can try our NordVPN link down below. You can try that, guys, if you want to have a VPN that is good and that you can trust. I suggest clicking our link down below. Try NordVPN, help the channel out, and 100% will help you out. Anyways, guys, there you go. If you guys enjoyed, if you have any question, concerns, have the question below, guys, have to touch as soon as possible. And thank you, guys.